Aloha everyone. Today I'm in Kapalua on Maui's west side. And if you aren't already familiar with Kapalua, it's a gorgeous area known for its luxury resorts, pristine beaches, stunning ocean views, and of course, world-class golf courses. In fact, Kapalua just finished hosting the PGA Tournament of Champions a few days ago. And in this video, I'm going to bring you on a full aerial tour of Kapalua's resort area. And along the way, I'll point out a few of the different beaches, resorts, and of course, real estate for sale. Let's go take a look.
We're going to start on the south end of Kapalua. Right now we're looking in the direction of Napili. The beach in the middle of the screen is Kapalua Bay Beach. The condos above the beach is the Coconut Grove community. And as we spin towards the north, the Montage residences, Kapalua Bay, come into the picture. Both Coconut Grove and the Montage offer individually owned units for sale. Coconut Grove does not allow short-term rentals, but the Montage does. The large home on the point with the blue roof is 9 Bay Drive, and it is one of the most expensive homes on the island. The property has 7 bedrooms and 7.5 bathrooms on more than 9 oceanfront acres, and it recently sold for $26.45 million in October of 2024. The next community that we're approaching is Kapalua Bay Villas. The Bay Villas consists of 141 individually owned condos spread through 16 acres, and it's set right on the scenic Kapalua Coastal Trail. Short-term rentals are currently allowed in this community, but it is in apartment zoning and on the Minatoia list, so it is at risk of losing its ability to offer vacation rentals if the current legislation passes. Just last week, I released a video with a few updates on the proposed short-term rental ban on Maui. If you haven't already seen that video, I highly suggest checking it out after this video, as it does have some important information for anyone that's considering buying real estate on Maui. The beach that we're approaching now is Honolua Beach, also known as Ironwoods Beach. This is one of my favorite beaches on all of Maui. It's actually where I got married almost 10 years ago. Above the beach is a row of beautiful beachfront homes along Kapalua Place. Another recent notable sale here on Maui was 7 Kapalua Place, which sold for $17 million in August of 2024. Just past the luxury homes on Kapalua Place is a condo community called Kapalua Ironwoods. The Ironwoods has 40 units spread through 10 buildings on 9 acres. It offers 2 and 3 bedroom floor plans, and short-term rentals are not allowed in this development. Directly in front of the Ironwoods condos are the scenic 16th and 17th holes of the Kapalua Bay Golf Course. Now, at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that Kapalua recently hosted the PGA's Tournament of Champions. The Tournament of Champions is held at the Plantation Course in Kapalua, not the Bay Course that we're flying over in this video. But you can see the Plantation Course off in the distance from here. The beach that you see in front of us now, that is sandwiched between the 2 different golf courses, is known as Fleming Beach. And as we turn to head up the hillside, you'll see that just above Fleming Beach is the prestigious Ritz-Carlton Kapalua. The Ritz-Carlton is mostly owned and operated by the hotel, but there are a few condos that are individually owned, and a few of them are offered for sale right now. By the way, in the description below, I'm going to share a link to a page on my website that has all the current real estate listings, recent sales, and statistics for Kapalua. At the time of this video, Kapalua has 67 active real estate listings with prices ranging from $898,000 up to $25 million. Okay, the next property that we're going to fly over is straight ahead. These are the Kapalua Ridge Villas. The Ridge Villas are located just above the Bay Villas that we flew over along the coastline earlier in the video. Kapalua Ridge is comprised of 161 condos spread over 22 acres, and current prices start at just over $1 million. By the way, at the top of the screen, you see the rooftops of the Montage Kapalua Bay where we started the video. So as you can see, the Kapalua area is a small resort town, but it does have its fair share of annual events that attract visitors from around the world. In addition to the golf tournaments, Kapalua also hosts the Kapalua Wine and Food Festival, which brings together culinary masters and wine enthusiasts. Typically held in early June, the event offers wine tastings, cooking demonstrations, and gourmet dining experience set against the stunning backdrop of Kapalua. In April, there's also the 33rd annual celebration of the Arts Festival that brings together over 125 of Hawaii's most renowned cultural practitioners, artisans, fashion designers, photographers, and entertainers to celebrate and preserve Hawaiian culture. Straight ahead, on the other side of the long row of cook pine trees, is the next property that I'd like to show you. These are the Kapalua Golf Villas. This is a community of 186 units spread over 16 acres. Just like the Bay Villas and the Ridge Villas below it, the Golf Villas does currently allow short-term rentals. But it is an apartment zoning, so that might change. That being said, because of this uncertainty, there are some great deals on these properties right now, with the most affordable unit being offered at less than $900,000. And last, but certainly not least, the homes that we're flying over right now that are just above the Golf Villas are in the prestigious Pineapple Hill neighborhood. Pineapple Hill does stretch off into the distance, but to give you an idea of the views you get from some of these homes, I'm going to spin towards the ocean once again. And this is where we're going to wrap up this aerial tour of Kapalua. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it with anyone you know that might be traveling to Kapalua or would like to own property here, and subscribe for more real estate tours just like this throughout the Hawaiian Islands. I hope to see you all in the next one. Aloha.